In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive Zoho Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your inbox without deleting a thing, so important messages stay safe and easy to find later. First, open your web browser and go to mail.zoho.com. Type it directly into the address bar to get to Zoho Mail quickly. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account credentials and complete any verification your account requires. Once you're in, you'll land on the Zoho Mail interface, which has your folders on the left and your messages listed in the main section. Next, head to your inbox. You'll find it in the left sidebar, usually near the top of your folders. Click it to display all the messages currently in your inbox. Give the page a moment to refresh so you're looking at the most up-to-date list. If you have multiple tabs or filters applied, make sure you're viewing the standard inbox so you're working with the right set of emails. Now it's time to choose what you want to archive. In the message list, locate the small checkbox next to each email. Click the checkbox for the message you want to archive. If you need to archive several messages at once, keep checking the boxes beside each one until they're all selected. You'll see the selected emails highlighted, which is a handy visual confirmation that you've picked the right items. If you change your mind about one, just uncheck it before moving on. With your email selected, look at the toolbar above the message list for the archive option. It may show the word archive or an icon that looks like a file box. Click archive. Zoho Mail will process the action and remove those messages from your inbox view, cleaning up the clutter without deleting anything. Archiving is non-destructive, which means your emails are still stored in your account and can be retrieved later. You may notice your inbox count drop right away, which is a good sign that the archive action worked. If you see a brief confirmation banner, that simply lets you know the change has been applied. That's all there is to it. Go to mail.zoho.com, open your inbox, select the messages using their checkboxes, and click archive. This quick routine helps you maintain a focused inbox while keeping your messages preserved. Use it regularly to keep your workspace clear and your attention on what matters most. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Zoho Mail.